Oh, my name is benjaminmziller, and I'm going to answer the question, what is going on with United Kingdom bond markets and investors' expectations regarding Bank of England interest rates? Well, good question. First, let's start with who I am. My name is benjaminmziller. I'm the managing director of a United Kingdom company that offers a corporate income bond that pays hundreds of basis points more than what you can earn on UK gilts and other government bonds. If you want more passive income, you should get in touch with me. In this video, the question about the UK bond market and investors' expectations, I'm going to answer that. So, investors are actively pricing in the likelihood of a Bank of England raising interest rates to combat that stubborn inflation. It seems like it is always going up. It's not yet like one of those African countries where it's just out of control, but it seems to be going up quite quickly. This has led to a significant increase in expectations for the Bank of England's rates to reach 6.5% by December, a level not seen in over 2 decades. As a result, yields on UK government bonds or gilts have surged. When the yields have surged, what that means is that the price has fallen. So that's not always such a good thing, particularly if you bought those and the yields surged. It's okay to buy them after the price has fallen and the yield has surged, but that's a devastating thing if you put a lot of money in those gilts and you saw the yields surge. That means that if you've been holding them, there's not a good thing necessarily. So there's also a market reaction to inflation. The surge in gilt yields is driven by concerns over persistently high inflation. The Bank of England's earlier decision to raise interest rates by a larger than expected 0.5 percentage point, along with remarks about the persistence of inflation, prompted a round of selling in government bonds. This reflects a preemptive move by investors to adjust their portion in anticipation of tighter monetary policy. What that means is that those investors decided, I better sell this before something bad happens. So, at any rate, if you're in the situation where you're looking for an investment and you're interested in something that can pay you a long-term passive income that is based on economic fundamentals and not just a lot of these other extraneous factors, you may want to consider my company, Alamo Mortgage Holdings. We offer a bond that you can purchase that pays a lot more than gilts. And furthermore, if you're just dissatisfied with what has been going on with the British pound, how it just seems to keep losing value, whatever you do, please don't look at a chart that shows the long-term history of the British pound compared to the US dollar since Bretton Woods at the end of World War II. At that time, one British pound would buy 4 American dollars, and now they're practically at parity. On the 1st of January 2023, one British pound would only buy $1.21. So it's not looking good. It is not looking good. It might be time to consider your options, because I talk to investors where they tell me, oh, I'm getting a return of 8% on my investment in the UK. Why would I want to look at investments in other areas? It depends a lot what currency you're in and what country. The Bank of England's governor, Andrew Bailey, he emphasized the importance of bringing down inflation to the 2% target. Bailey's commitment to this goal aligns with the Bank of England's focus on controlling rising prices, even though it might require further rate hikes, probably will require further rate hikes. The central bank's communication becomes vital in managing market expectations and ensuring stability. Folks, I hope that helps. I want to encourage you again to just reach out to us. Do the right thing and just reach out to us. It takes just a minute. We've got a brochure for you. You can look it over. If you want to discuss it more, we can discuss it more. Just go to www.alamomortgageholdings.co.uk and fill out the contact form, or just send me an email, ben.miller@alamomortgageholdings.co.uk, or find us on LinkedIn. Do a search for Alamo Mortgage Holdings. I hope that helps, and I wish you good luck with your investing.